In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn rewards on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like actually to go and download, or sorry, open the Coinbase application, then click add get started to create your account. That's of course if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open the Coinbase application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, that will actually be my home or my main screen, and from here I can actually start earning rewards on Coinbase application. So first of all, if you want to earn rewards, you would like to sign up, as I said, at Coinbase application. Then after you sign up, add the payment method to your account and buy any cryptocurrency on Coinbase. So once you have completed the required step of creating an account and purchasing cryptocurrency, you will receive $5 in BTC in your Coinbase portfolio. Of course, that's one way. The other way, of course, is just click here at get. That is just the currency of my account. Of course, your currency will change, depends on the phone number that you entered. So if you enter the phone number from United States, you'll find here the USD instead of this MAD, which is the Moroccan currency. So if you click on it, you will have here share your link. Of course, if you share your link with your friends and actually your friends sign up, then like invested in crypto at least $100, you will both actually get $10 or $11 on Coinbase. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.